sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna make these Gracie's Corner inspired chocolate apples, but I'm gonna do a little story time about how I discovered the channel of Gracie's Corner. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I'm doing in the video, just ask me below and I'll let you know. And I'll try to put some things on the screen if I think you guys are gonna ask. So I don't know if you guys know, I've told you guys on some of my previous videos that I am actually a substitute teacher. And so this past year was my first year teaching, substitute teaching. And so I started off, just teaching the different grades, going in as they needed me. And then towards the end of the year, one of the kindergarten teachers actually resigned. And so I was asked to take over her class for the rest of the year. So by the end of the year, I was actually a full-time kindergarten teacher. And so the teacher actually had a routine that was already in place in class, and the different videos and things that she would like do with the kids. But I would try to find other things that would keep their attention, because they're 5 and 6 year olds, so their attention spans are rather short. So one day I was looking for a video to show them guys, and I found a Gracie's Corner video on YouTube. If you're not familiar, they're another YouTube channel, and they have more hip hop themed learning videos. It's the cutest little channel. And so I found a video that was on letter sounds and phonics, and that was actually something that we were working on that day. So I was like, oh, perfect. So I had played it before when they were at lunch. I was looking for videos, and I was like, oh, I like this. Let's have upbeat, because my class, they love to dance. They would get up out of their seat. They always wanted to dance. And so when they got back, I was so excited to play this video for them. So they got back from lunch. I put on the video for them. They always got excited when I would turn on the monitor that was on the wall, because they knew we were going to watch a video or we were going to dance or sing or something like that. So I put on this Gracie's Corner video, and they all just stood there in silence. They all just stood there staring at the screen. None of them said anything. It was only one child, one little boy. I guess he listens to the videos at home, and so he was dancing and singing, and they were looking at him, and they would look at the screen, and they were all just so quiet, just staring at the screen. I don't know if they were confused. I don't know what it was, but I didn't get the reaction that I thought that I was gonna get from them. And so they all stayed quiet, and they kind of watched the video. And then the video went off, and they just kind of we went on to our phonics lesson. And so the next day I tried with another video, a different Gracie's Corner video. And so they did the same thing. I don't know if it was because it was hip hop and they weren't used to that. So they kind of just stood there, just admiring the video. They weren't saying nothing. One of them was maybe moving in his seat, but it just wasn't the reaction that I thought I was going to get from them, being that they love to sing and they love to dance. So after a few days, I stopped playing the videos, and I went back to their other videos, and I'm okay, I don't know, maybe they don't like these videos. I don't know. So maybe a week later, we are doing worksheets, and we're doing worksheets on phonic sounds, which was one of the videos that we had watched the previous week. And so I'm going around the class, and I'm calling who wants to answer the question? So they all put their hands up, me. And so I'm okay, what letter is number 1? So the little boy, so he goes, oh, it's the letter B. And I'm well, what sound does the letter B make? And so maybe 3 or 4 of them in unison start singing, what sound does that letter make? But they start singing the Gracie's Corner song. They're all dancing and beating on the table, and I'm just what in the world? Why were they not doing this when the actual video was playing? But they had all took it in, they memorized it, they knew it, and they all sung it. They were all just so happy to sing it. So I just thought it was so funny to me that when the video was on, they all just stood there in amazement. But then when it was time to apply it to real life, they absolutely sung the song, remember what they learned. It was so funny, and it was so cute. So after that lesson, I put the video back on, and they all just went crazy, started singing, dancing. I was just like, okay, I know I'm not going crazy. I knew you guys would like this video. I know it's not just me. So that was actually me discovering the whole Gracie's Corner channel, and I just thought it was the cutest, and they learned it singing the different songs. And so it was so funny to see, like, now on like TikTok and Instagram, to see like everybody's like discovering Gracie's Corner now and like playing these cute little videos for their kids. It's the cutest. If you have little kids that are like learning to read, learning different letter sounds, they have all different learning videos, but it's the cutest little channel. And so that actually inspired me to do this video. I was online, and I saw like somebody was having like a Gracie's Corner themed birthday party, and I just thought it was so cute. So I was like, oh, it'd be so cute to make like some Gracie's Corner themed treats. So that's what made me make this video. These apples are not for anyone. I'm just gonna give them to my son and his friends. You know, they always get to sample the best treats because I just make them for videos and then I let them have them. But I just thought it was so cute, and my clients have not started ordering this stuff yet. I know they will. And you know, sometimes, and you know, they say when you want to make something and your clients are not ordering it, they say just make it. So of course I wanted to make it, and nobody was ordering this theme as of yet, so we're just gonna put it out there into the atmosphere. So I made these apples, and of course, like 3 or 4 of my clients are like, oh, I can't wait till my daughter or my son's birthday come. I'm gonna order this theme. I'm gonna use this theme. So I guess it was me manifesting a Gracie's Corner order. But now I'm just drizzling these apples, and you guys are gonna see me hot glue the pictures and the bows. I got those bows from Dollar Tree. Those are actually hair bows that I took the clip off the back of. This sprinkle mix I actually got from Dollar Tree as well. Can you believe it? Oh, I also got a video for you guys of things that I found at Dollar Tree, like treat and baking supplies. So I'll be uploading that soon. But yes, so the sprinkles and the bows I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna be hot gluing those to these apples. And if you're wondering, these pictures I just found online. I just typed in Gracie's Corner, and the pictures came up online, and I sized them to about 1.5 inches each. I showed you guys in a previous video how I sized my images, and I printed them out on glossy cardstock. And there we have it, guys. These just turned out so cute. Oh my God, I cannot wait to do an actual order. I know one of my clients is gonna order this stuff soon, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing. See you guys later. Bye.
Sweet life, a sweet, sweet.